Welcome back. I've got some backhoe jobs coming up, some plumbing utility excavations, and I got to get this machine ready to go out for a few days this week. I got this little crack in the bucket that I want to address before it gets any worse. It's not really a stress crack as much as it is the weld is just worn off from so much digging. You can see all the wear on the bucket here. See if we can't get her welded up. Right, the first thing I'm going to do is remove this bucket. Remove these old cotter pins because I will put brand new ones back in their place. The main reason I wanted to take the bucket completely off is now that allows me to be doing a flat weld, which is much better than an overhead or underhanded, overhanded, whatever you want to call it. And also I know I'm not putting any electrical shock through the machine into any of the electrical components. On these more computerized machines, I don't think it's a real good idea to weld anything directly on the machine with the batteries connected and off. Let me pull out the welder and see if I can make something out of this. You can see this weld isn't really a crack as much as it is where the original cutting edge was welded on and the original shank for the tooth was welded on, and it has just worn so thin that the weld's not there anymore. And you can see like you got beads of weld here, and they're just wore off now from constantly rubbing in the dirt. Took a grinder and V'd it out a little bit. Took a utility knife and got as much dirt out of there as I can. See if I can get a good penetrating weld in there with the stick welder. Got this part done and put some hard face on it. And before all you career welders out there start dropping the comments, I am by no means a welder, or do I have the proper welding equipment. I have what I need to get by. I guess my hard facing job's not too bad. It's gonna live the rest of its life in the dirt anyway. I was told a long time ago, welds did not have to be pretty to be strong. Let me get the bucket mounted back on. The bushings look real good for a machine with close to 3,000 hours on it that's 24 years old. This machine's getting really busy. We got a lot of sewer connections coming up. I just wanted to fix that before it got bad and broke on me in the middle of a job, and then I'm really in trouble. See if I can get the bucket mounted back on and get her loaded on a trailer for tomorrow. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and remember to subscribe. Thank you very much.